Top 45 Interior Color Trends, 2026. Serene blue and white. Create a calming retreat with a crisp white sofa, navy blue armchairs, and ocean-inspired decor. Earthy green and brown. Embrace nature with olive green walls, a rich brown leather couch, and wooden textures. Bold red and black. Make a statement with deep red accent chairs, a sleek black sofa, and modern metallic details. Soft pink and gray. Achieve a cozy and elegant look with a blush pink sectional, gray throw pillows, and gold accents. Sunny yellow and white. Bring in warmth with a white sofa, vibrant yellow cushions, and cheerful botanical prints. Classic navy and gold. Elevate your space with a navy velvet sofa, gold-accented tables, and soft ambient lighting. Chic black and white. A timeless contrast of a black leather couch, white marble coffee table, and geometric decor. Warm beige and cream. Create a soft and inviting ambience with beige walls, a cozy cream-colored sectional, and rustic accents. Elegant emerald and brass. Add a touch of luxury with emerald green velvet chairs, brass light fixtures, and dark wood elements. Tranquil teal and gray. Balance sophistication and serenity with a gray sofa, teal accent pillows, and contemporary art pieces. Vibrant orange and brown. A cozy yet energetic look featuring burnt orange armchairs, a deep brown sofa, and warm wooden flooring. Minimalist white and wood. Keep it simple with a white linen couch, natural wood furniture, and soft neutral decor. Luxurious purple and silver. A regal touch with a deep purple sectional, silver decor, and plush textures. Fresh green and white. A nature-inspired setting with leafy green walls, a white sofa, and earthy woven accents. Deep burgundy and cream. A sophisticated space with a burgundy velvet couch, cream-toned rugs, and gold-framed mirrors. Playful coral and navy. A fun and modern look with a coral loveseat, navy blue accents, and light wood furniture. Tropical green and yellow. Bring the outdoors in with lush green plants, yellow cushions, and rattan furniture. Cool mint and gray. A fresh and airy space featuring mint green walls, a gray couch, and soft white lighting. Charming lavender and beige. A dreamy combination of lavender-toned decor, a beige sectional, and elegant textures. Industrial gray and black. A modern loft-style space with a charcoal gray sofa, black metal details, and exposed brick walls. Cozy brown and mustard. A warm, inviting vibe with a caramel brown sofa, mustard yellow pillows, and wooden accents. Striking fuchsia and white. A bold and lively setting with a fuchsia armchair, crisp white walls, and metallic gold decor. Soothing sky blue and beige. A peaceful retreat with a sky blue couch, beige textiles, and ocean-themed accents. Dramatic black and gold. A luxurious and moody ambience with black walls, a gold coffee table, and plush velvet seating. Cheerful peach and gray. A modern, cheerful design with a soft peach sofa, gray decor, and minimalistic artwork. Understated taupe and ivory. A timeless and neutral space with taupe upholstery, ivory accents, and soft lighting. Eclectic turquoise and red. A lively mix of turquoise chairs, bold red decor, and playful patterned rugs. Romantic rose and champagne. A soft and elegant theme with rose-hued furniture, champagne gold accents, and delicate florals. Energizing lime green and white. A fresh, modern look with a lime green statement wall, white furniture, and sleek decor. Sophisticated charcoal and blush. A chic balance of dark charcoal walls, a blush pink sofa, and warm gold details. Rustic terracotta and cream. a cozy and earthy vibe with terracotta-toned walls, a cream-colored sofa, and woven textures. Cool ice blue and silver, a fresh and modern look with icy blue walls, silver metallic accents, and soft white furnishings. Daring black and burgundy, a bold and moody aesthetic with a black leather sofa, deep burgundy curtains, and gold fixtures. Elegant champagne and ivory, a refined and luxurious space with an ivory sectional, champagne gold decor, and plush textiles. Soothing pastel green and peach, a soft and airy look with pastel green furniture, peach accent pillows, and floral decor. Dramatic navy and burgundy, a rich and dramatic space with a navy blue sofa, burgundy accents, and dark wood furniture. Modern olive green and white, a fresh and contemporary setting with olive green walls, white furniture, and black accents. Bright aqua and yellow, a lively and fun ambience with aqua blue seating, yellow decor, and playful patterns. Understated mocha and gray, a warm and neutral palette with a mocha brown sofa, gray walls, and wooden accents. Feminine mauve and gold, a romantic and chic design with a mauve velvet couch, gold decor, and soft lighting. Striking plum and black, a deep and sophisticated space featuring a plum-colored sofa, black accents, and modern artwork. Retro mustard and teal, a funky, vintage-inspired space with a mustard yellow armchair, teal decor, and mid-century furniture. Lush forest green and brass, a bold and elegant setting with a forest green sectional, brass lighting, and dark wood details. Playful magenta and white, a vibrant and youthful look with a magenta couch, crisp white decor, and artistic prints. Crisp sky blue and sand, a breezy and coastal-inspired space with sky blue walls, sandy beige furniture, and rattan accents.